To set up contactless payments in Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and inside make sure that you have your account logged in. Also make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection or a mobile data connection. Then search for an app that you want to use as your wallet. In this case, I would recommend to just use a Google Wallet or Google Pay. It's the same thing basically, it just has a different name. So here we have Google Wallet. Make sure to update this app, and then when it's ready, open it. Click on Add Payment Card, then select New Credit or Debit Card and fill up information about your card. So you can either scan it with your camera or tap a card to your phone or enter details manually. When you have that done, then your card is basically set up, and you can go into the settings on your phone, select Connected Devices, scroll down to Connection Preferences and select NFC. In NFC, you can go to contactless payments and make sure that Google Wallet is selected, or whichever app you want to pay with is selected, and then you can simply start paying with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.